Hello traders, good day to you. This is Saturday 24th of February and this is the last week we have. The market will open on 26th, so let's discuss. This is Audjpy. I would like to show you from higher frame to lower frame and I will explain it to you. First of all, this month on February we have a very good bullish candle, you guys can see. And before that on December and November and December we have a double top made here, but it didn't went back to 50% even, and it came down, taken out the liquidity from here and moved out upward. Now it has already broken the previous top here of November. Now it has already touched the top of previous top here of September 2022. So the market is strongly bullish as far as the candle is concerned, but until the end of February we cannot comment anything on this candle to be on the safe side. And you guys can see, if we go to a little bit backward, that it is trying to reach somewhere very high. The market is still have a lot of room to go, so we don't know, maybe it will go, but this week we have a lot of news on AUD. So when you trade, please be careful, take care of this calendar, so you guys can understand that AUD have news here. New Zealand dollar, of course, it has huge news, a lot of news are there. USD on Wednesday maybe, and we have consumer price confidence on February 27th, that is Tuesday, and on Thursday we have USD news, and also on Friday I think we have USD news also. So Friday, I don't know, March 1st is showing here, but actually it will be the 29th of February in New York time, in US time, so let's leave it like this. Now coming back to the point, to our analysis first. So be careful when you trade, consider the calendar. This is monthly, and there is nothing I would like to remark about it, but it has breached the previous top, and that is and it already touched the immediate top also, so keep that in mind. The market is very bullish as far as this is the weekly trend line I have drawn, and I'm monitoring this, that the market has touched here once, twice, and we have a 3 horse, something like this. This is a very powerful pattern known, I forget the exact name, so it reflects a very good strong bearish bullish sense in the market. However, if we see here, you guys can see that this is the fair imbalance has been left here. It has not been addressed very clearly. You guys can see that this is a imbalance already left. The market never came back to this position and balance the market here. So this is one issue we need to keep it in mind, that there is a lot of imbalance has been left here in weekly, and there is nothing much, and you guys can see, as far the trend line is concerned, we may adjust a little if we want to, but considering this, the trend line, you guys can see that I have drawn it based on this, not this. So if you guys would like to revise now, you can do it like this. At least one red and one green should be touched. So the market is in monthly it is bullish, in weekly bullish, but weekly we have an imbalance here. Keep that in mind. So this is a second issue we need to see. So let's keep it in monthly. Now coming back to daily, this was my last prediction. Last week I have told very clearly, this was the previous week, that the market may retrace back a little. It did, and it moved upward. And then I showed this very clearly. You guys can see that I mentioned that the market will once retest here, and the retest has been done here on, if I'm not wrong, on Tuesday. Retest failed to break below this red line and it started moved. It's a very good nice trade I have taken, and it was very profitable, of course. So almost you can have the idea here, not very bad, 100 pips is there. So this is the last week I have predicted in daily. Let's remove them one by one so we don't know, we can do our analysis very clearly. And I marked here, you guys can see these two line where I have said that if this line on the upper side is broken, it will be very foolish. And also I want communicated that if this line is broken, it will be bullish too. So let's remove them. There is no implication of this at the moment. And apart from that, also I told you guys that this is a ranging period for a long time. You guys can see marked in this yellow box, and if it is broken, it will just move to 50% immediately, and this was the 50% line. So it has reached the 50% and started a little bit showing a bearish details. So there is two options from here. Either it will break out here making some retest, or it will come back to take liquidity from here. So let's us remove this guy first, and this guy also, no reason to get confused. And let remain this box, and this is the weekly imbalance we have. And in daily, if we move this guy a little, yes, a little bit here, yes, a little bit here. Now there is a little imbalance here in daily, which is not significant, but still the imbalance is there. If you want to see, I can show it to you guys. This is a very tiny imbalance left here in daily. This shadow top and this shadow of the bottom, this latest. So the way I think is currently considering this the daily is that there is two options here. The market may come a little bit low, take out this imbalance, and then start moving upward for the time being. That is my idea. Apart from that, within inside this weekly imbalance, you guys can see that daily imbalance also exists here. So let us diminish this in daily, so we can see it. We can have a better view here. What happened? Yes, yes. I said it not to be shown. Okay, why it is shown? Okay, I did it wrong. Okay, now. So let's see things very clearly. This is the daily imbalance left here. You guys can see this is one daily imbalance. We use the blue color for that. And also, if you watch at the tip of this shadow, and there is a gap here too. So this is the imbalance left in the daytime frame. This the market needs to take care, and so I am expecting a little bit pushback on the downside. Let us go to 4 hours so we can visualize it more clearly what is happening in 4 hours. So before we take any trade, we can understand what is going on and how much water it will hold if we take the trade. So let's get back to 4 hours here. Yes, now in 4 hours you guys can see that it has started raining. It tried once, failed, and then it tried again, but not to that extent. Then it got a little bit bearish, but the price has been rejected from here, this area. So if we remove these from the 4 hourly, my suggestion is to watch for this area very carefully. So I will be thinking of the price may come down here. This will be too low, to be honest. 97.89 from the current point, almost 80 pips from here to here. I don't think it will retrace that much at the moment. I don't think. So this is one line of defense, and the second line of defense, the market can come up to here also. These are the two options I am considering, and after that A lot of liquidity has been left here for the day. Intraday traders, I will prefer that you should watch for these two lines. So one suggestion, from current it will come here, then it will go retest and it will break out. This is one suggestion I have at the moment. And the second suggestion, I will prefer that if the market gets a little bit otherwise, maybe it will come here to take out this liquidity. This will be too low for the time being. I am not expecting. It will depend mainly with the news. Then it will go here again. It will retest and it will move upward. That's it for AUDJPY from my end. So please make your own risk management. Please use a stop loss. Stick to your strategy, whatever the situation. Because if you use a stop loss, the strategy is that simple. You will be the stop loss will be hit. But if it doesn't hit and the market goes as you were expecting to the reach a proper level, then you can understand that if you take out the trade before that, you are losing money. So this is the trade, and I am expecting 50% has been taken out of this whole range. So my next target will be 50% of the rest 50%. So I am expecting the price to come here. This is the range. This is my target. Let me put it in context in more proper way, so you guys can decide. This is my next target. If I see that things are moving like this, so I will wait for Monday, and we'll get some new candle to be printed here by Monday, and on Tuesday. By that time we will be able to decide. Thank you very much, and guys, thank you for subscribing. The people who have subscribed, I really appreciate. It is you for whom this is what to do the video. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.